I learned that my provost, then Tom Katsouleas, was a motorcyclist, and that made me think I could probably do that too. So I went to motorcycle school, and then I started riding with Tom and Phil after I got trained and licensed in 2017.
So I wish I could say that I've only been riding a few years, but I've been riding for 50 years. 50 years. Oh my God. And yeah, I've only fallen off a few times. Someone said to me, you know, why do you make these big cross country and these long trips? And it's like, because you know, we spend as deans so much time talking to other people. It's just so nice to actually be on your own.
Well, I think friendships are important in life, including at work. There's plenty of research out there to suggest that it's difficult for grown men to maintain friendships. So this is a good way to do it.